This is the installation video for the Solo Sit-to-Stand desk from Steelcase. Soon, you'll be ready to sit, stand, and move throughout your day. You can follow along with these steps in the assembly instructions, where you will find additional tips for assembling and disassembling the legs. The assembly instructions will be found in the work surface box. Before you begin, clean the floor or work surface being used for assembly. We recommend using a piece of cardboard or a blanket to protect the user side of the work surface. Confirm you have all the needed parts by laying them out on the floor. For this installation, you will need a number 2 Phillips drive and a level. Unpack the legs and feet of the desk. Ensure the legs are fully collapsed by pushing down on the foot. Once both legs are collapsed to their lowest position, you can attach the legs to the work surface and understructure. Angle the foot inward towards the center of the desk. Align the hooks on the leg to the notches on the understructure. Once aligned, pull the leg upright to the 90-degree position. You will hear a click once the leg is fully engaged to ensure you assembled this correctly. Repeat this step for the other leg. Note, do not put hands or fingers near the leg while assembling. Plug the power cord into the understructure frame, but don't plug the desk into the wall just yet. Attach the user switch to the front edge of the desk. There are 3 parts to the user switch. Thread the provided screws into the holes before removing the rubber band. This will help to keep all the parts together. Note the front edge of the work surface can be identified by pilot holes near the edge for the user switch. Plug the switch into the opening on the front side of the understructure. 2 cable managers are provided. Route the cords through these cable clips. It is now time to turn the desk over. With the help of a partner, flip the desk right side up to avoid damaging the controller. Plug the desk into power. Use the glides to level the desk front to back and side to side. Before using, you must initialize this desk. To do this, press down on the user switch for up to 5 seconds. The desk will give a small up-down movement to verify synchronization. Next, raise the desk all the way up to ensure cords are not disconnecting. Then lower it all the way down to confirm proper function. Verify the height adjustment range is free from obstructions above and below the work surface within the range of travel. Always make sure there is a 1-inch minimum gap between all work surface edges and adjacent furniture or walls. Remove and secure the power cord when not in use to prevent children from operating the desk unsupervised. Caution: raising or lowering the desk can trap or crush body parts. Do not operate this equipment unless properly trained. Read the user guide first. Do not allow use by children or people unable to understand the risks to safely adjust the desk height. Maintain a minimum 1-inch gap above objects on desk at max height and between desk and adjacent objects. Locate the desk, accessories, and nearby objects to allow movement of desktop through full range without pulling cords, trapping body parts, or colliding with anything like shelves, electrical plugs and cords, doorknobs, windowsills, storage cabinets, etc. Do not place feet or other body parts on cabinets or objects below the desktop. Lastly, read the user guide for other safety-related messages and tips on how to use your desk. Keep this and the troubleshooting guide in a safe place if ever a problem were to occur. To fully utilize the benefits of a height-adjustable desk, we encourage you to sit, stand, and move throughout the day. Because at Steelcase, we're inspired by the idea that your next posture is your best posture.